Hi friends, it's Miss Wendy, and today we are going to be making green, grinchy, glittery slime with a hidden surprise inside. Can you find it? Come join me and I'll show you how to make it.
All right, friends, so in your bag, you will find glitter. That's about a teaspoon of glitter. We have a half teaspoon of baking soda. We have 2 teaspoons of contact lens solution, saline solution. We have a heart sticker, a popsicle stick, and a container of Elmer's glue with 1 drop of, you guessed it, because it's Grinch Slime, it has green food coloring in it, 1 drop of green food coloring. All right, so carefully remove the lid from your glue. You might need help with this. I need help with this. All right, here we go. And it's already starting to make this really cool design. If your contents has shifted, you might have some glue on top. So what I'm doing now is just trying to get the glue off of the top and everything into your container here. Look at that cool design. Watch as we mix this up, and we want to mix it up completely, but maybe you can even make designs with it until it's mixed completely if you want. It's just kind of cool to see it get mixed up. So mix your glue up so that it turns green from that drop of food coloring. Next thing, you want to take your baking soda, a half of a teaspoon of baking soda, and mix it in. All right, nice job. And if you get any of these little lumps, just kind of mash them and mix them until your solution is mixed very well. Looks good. Now we're going to work with our glitter stuff. So peel off the backing off of your glitter sticker heart, and then open up your glitter, pour just a little bit into the lid, try not to get too messy, and then you can coat your sticker part with the green glitter on the back so that both sides are going to be glittery. So you have a glitter green heart and a glittery pink or whatever color your heart is. So there we have it. Set that heart aside, and we are going to put this glitter in. Oh my goodness, I'm making a mess. We can put the glitter in the glue mixture now, and if there's any that fell on the table, I'm going to put that in too. Oh, it's on my hands. All right, well, that's okay. Carefully mix the glitter in to the glue mixture. Can you tell that that's green and grinchy? Yeah. All right, next thing. We are going to put our contact solution in, but we want to slowly and carefully pour it in. It may not need all of the solution in order to turn this into slime. So what we're going to do, we have, if you wanted to use a measuring spoon and you have one at home and you wanted to use that, that's fine. Otherwise, just pour in about half of this solution. So that will be 1 teaspoon of solution if you have a measuring spoon. But pour in half very slowly, very carefully. Right now, less is more. Put that aside because we may need more, and slowly and gently stir that in, and already it is starting to get slimy. Isn't that the coolest thing in the whole wide world when it works? Come in. Look at that slime happening, but it is still a little bit goopy. So I think we're going to pour in a little tiny bit more of the contact lens solution. So maybe half of that. So very slowly and very carefully pour in a little bit more. All right, and set that aside, and now very slowly and very carefully just go ahead and mix that up. Oh my goodness, I could even hear it turning into slime. Yikes. Can you hear that? That's some slime. We've got to take it out of that container and work it with our hands now. So I am going to work it in my hands a little bit. And if you want, like the Grinch had a heart that was 2 sizes too small, you can put your heart in your slime mixture and you can mix it in there, and you might find a heart when you're playing with it. And you can store it in your container and use it again and again. And remember to clean up. Make sure you recycle everything you can recycle and throw away what you can't recycle. And have tons of fun playing with your green glittery Grinch slime.
I hope you enjoyed making your slime today with your hidden surprise in it. And I hope you'll join us for more DIY crafts. Please check our calendar. And if you'd like, email us pictures of your slime. Have a great day, and thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.